Turn on the living room light.
Okay, turning the room light on.
Turn on the kitchen light.
Okay, turning the kitchen light on.
Turn on the bedroom light.
Okay, turning on the bedroom light.
Turn on the bathroom light.
Alright, turning the bathroom light on.
Turn on the smart socket.
Okay, turning on smart socket.
Good. Turn off all the loads.
Alright, turning floor lights off.
Including the fan, the socket.
Okay, turning 8 lights off.
Turn off the socket.
Okay, turning smart socket off.
Hello guys, welcome to WIGATRONICS. Today I'm going to teach you how to come up with what you just watched. You can see the board arrangement. We got this is the topic for the day. We have a voice recognition home automation by WIGATRONICs. Living room light is white, kitchen light green, bedroom light red, bathroom light blue, smart socket no color. Alright, this is not just only voice. You can use your phone, mobile app, using Arduino app. Anywhere you are in the world, you can actually control it via your phone and as well your voice, what you just watched. Okay, not just only voice, not just only mobile app. I've also made provisions for manual override in case of when there is no internet in the house. But when there is no internet, definitely you can't control the loads remotely. But in a case where you are maybe asking me, oh, what if I don't have internet connectivity in my house momentarily? Does it mean that all my loads will go dead? No, I've made provision for that. Okay, to start with, here is on and off button. There's an on and off button. So it's just a refresh button. Possibly if there's any kind of network glitches, you could just refresh. But I barely use it. I don't put it to make the system more robust. Alright, let's go now. You have button 1 dedicated to particular load, button 2 dedicated to another load, button 3 dedicated to another one, button 4 dedicated as well, and fifth one to the fifth load. That's how we have how many loads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The order may not be in agreement, but just know that each switch is controlling a particular load. So let's test how it will go when there is no okay, we've tested for voice. Before I go for manual override, let's do for button where I control with the app there. You can see all the loads, they are all off. So let's go now. Bedroom lights, that should be green light. This is a bathroom light, rather blue. You can see it there. That's blue. Okay, let's go for bedroom light. That should be red. You can see red there. Let's go for kitchen light. Kitchen light should be green. You can see green there. Let's go for what is remaining. Living room light. That's white. That's white there. The last one is smart socket for our fan. This on the fan. So that is it. And as well, turn them off one after the other, or even turn them off the same time. Let me go by turning them off the same time. All of them. Let's see. Let me turn all of them on at the same time. Let's see. So if you want to go 1 1, you want 1 1. Now the next stage is a situation where you don't have internet in the house. There's no, okay, even before when you don't have internet, You can also control via button even when there is internet. It's not like when there is internet, it disables the switches. No, you can also do that even when there is internet. Let's do that now. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see that? For the fan now. Can you see it? First button, first load, second to second, third to third, fourth to fourth, fifth to fifth. This is when there is internet. Can we go for when there is no internet in the house? And as you're turning them on, they are reflecting on the app. Watch out. I want to turn off first load. You will see that one of them will go off. So you have to zoom the buttons. Alright, let's turn off the first button. That's there. Can you see that one of them has gone out? It has gone offline. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Now for the fan. That not beautiful. So look at a situation there is internet. Just gonna say, let me do it one more time. There is internet. Now turn up. Okay. Let's go for a situation there is no internet. You can see my Wi-Fi I'm using to give it internet. Let's remove the battery just to tell you that I'm removing network from this device because this is what you're using giving it internet, which if you follow the complete video you will see how we teach you to come up with it. So no internet now. Let's see how the buttons can work. Oh, you can even see from the app everything has gone inactive. It's like every load has gone offline. So let's say in a situation your home is automated and there is no internet, does it mean you can't switch on any bulb, switch on any socket? Does it mean that? The answer is no. We have provisions that will allow you to do that. Now let's go by the switch now. No internet. Can you see that? Can you see that? No internet. If you even want, I can switch off my phone. So, can you see that? Can you see that? The fan. Now, if I should give internet back to it, you will see. Let's demonstrate something. Make sure you are pointing on the buttons that they are inactive, and at the same time make sure you are capturing what I'm doing. Just two of them. I want to give it back internet. You will see how they will come online and all of them will be active. Okay, I think what I will use to demonstrate this is that let me switch off one load. Good. So if this comes back to online, you will see that a particular load will be offline because will be switched off rather because I've switched off manually. So the manual override reflects on the app whenever internet is restored. So let's see that network. Me on it. Okay, I've on the Wi-Fi. You're watching the app. Is it not active? Just be watching, give it a little time. Watching it, you see that once it gets network, it will become active. Let me switch it on. So we now check if it has. The Wi-Fi is also giving network to this and this guy. So let's see. It has come on. Can you see it? This load is the one that is off. Just like what I told you guys.